Hello, I'm going to show you how to remove motion blur, film grain, and camera shake in Bodycam. If this video helps you, please like it, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's make Bodycam look cleaner and more realistic. First, open the game settings and go to the graphics menu. Look for options like motion blur, film grain, and camera shake. Alright, turn motion blur off first. This will make fast movements and aiming feel much sharper, especially during gunfights. Next, disable film grain. This removes the old camera effect and gives you a clearer image with better visibility. For camera shake, open the gameplay or camera settings and reduce the shake intensity. If there is no option in the menu, you may need to edit the game's configuration files to disable it manually. After changing these settings, restart the game so the changes fully apply. Now, your gameplay should feel smoother, clearer, and easier to aim in without unnecessary visual effects. And that's how you remove motion blur, film grain, and camera shake in Bodycam.